Red Line Airshow.
Hands upside down, and Adam Baker does the candy cane wraparound. Adam Baker now from the Kitty, Texas. Brought to you by Playful Corporation, the family-friendly video game company, changing the world one video game at a time. Had his first airplane flight in 2005, and after his first install, this is what he wanted to be able to do. This very, very agile unlimited airplane is capable of withstanding over 10 times the pull of gravity. The airplane is flying design and built by Walter Extra in Germany. With its 300 plus horsepower motor, he can tumble the airplane gyroscopically. He and his wife run a corporate flight department for a number of different companies. His wife Katie is also a pilot. Now as he comes over the top, he'll do 1 1/2 rolls into the upright position for the 1/2 Cuban 8. That's the slider. Ken Reeder's in. Now watch. This is a Vans RV-7A. RV-8, I should say. And the airplane is one that he built himself. As a matter of fact, Ken Reeder has built 4 of these airplanes. And the Vans aircraft line of home-built, amateur-built aircraft is the most popular and successful line of aircraft, amateur-built aircraft in the history of aviation, with over 11,000 flying. It's powered by a 180 horsepower motor. Gives him speed to fly around the country of about 200 miles per hour. To come down from Cincinnati, Ohio to here took him just about an hour. Fully aerobatic, it's capable of 6 times positive the force of gravity and 3 negatives. Ken Reeder, when he was a youngster, was inspired to fly when he saw the United States Navy Blue Angels at an air show in Cincinnati, Ohio. Formation flying is challenging enough, but when you get 2 dissimilar aircraft, it takes superb piloting skills to be able to do it. Like this, the formation barrel roll. The sponsors for Red Line today. For Adam Baker, Playful Corporation. And for Ken Reeder, the Hartzell Propeller Company, built on honor since 1917 when they began to build propellers for the Wright brothers' early military airplanes. Also, Byerly Aviation Services of Peoria, Illinois, aircraft services, avionics, charter services, and painting. As a matter of fact, they painted Ken's airplane. Now, cameras ready as they set up for the clover loop and the brake. They call it the switchblade. Let's listen in. Quarter roll now, and you'll hear him say the brake. It'll be Ken Reeder's voice. Watch them as they head away from us. They will cross literally within feet of each other's airplane. How about a big round of applause? They will be closing at a speed of nearly 300 miles per hour. And they're going to roll upside down for the inverted opposing pass.
All right.
Adam Baker has accrued over 10,000 hours in 70 different types of airplanes. Ken Reeder, over 12,000 hours in 40 different types of aircraft. He owns a property management company and construction company in Cincinnati. He's been flying for 30 years and even has done some prop dusting.
Would that be it? Bye-bye.
Opposing loop, that's the call from Ken Reeder.
Got it? You may carry that?
He calls up straight up for the hump deep. And that's a negative G pushover. Anything that was not nailed down in the cockpit just floated up toward the top of the canopy.
That be it. The red line Airshow, Owensboro. Bye-bye.